Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use character manipulating functions in Oracle select statement. We have here two practices. Write a query to display the department number, department name, the length of the department name, the last four characters of the department name for all departments located in location 1700. Give each column an appropriate column alias and sort the output by the length of the department name in descending order. So let us simplify the select statement. We want to return the department number, which is department underscore ID, the department name, department underscore name, the length of the department name. We can use here a function length to return number of characters in the department name column, department underscore name. And the last column, the last four characters of the department name. The last four characters here we can use substring. Substring can take three arguments. Here we can provide the department name, which is the string that we want to manipulate, which is the department name in this case. And we want the last four characters. Last four characters, that means you can use -4 here. Minus here used to start cutting the characters from the end, and here we want 4 characters from table departments for only departments located in location 1700, where location underscore ID equal 1700. Give each column an appropriate column area, so we can give this column, for example, length, and we can give this column another column alias here, for example, cutted string. And last thing, sort the output by the length of the department name in descending order. We want to sort by the length. This is the length, which is 1, 2, 3, the third column in the select statement. So we can use here order by 3 in descending order. That's it. Highlight the select statement and click run. So as we can see, this is the department ID, this is the department name, this is the length of the department name, which is number of characters in the department name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, space is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 characters in the department name in the first record. Substring department name -4, 4. So minus means start from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from I here, and return 4 characters, ICES. Here also start from the end. -4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means start from E and return 4 characters, EDIT. -4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from A and return 4 characters, ALES. So this is how to use length and substring functions in select statement. In the second practice here, write a query to display country number, country name after replacing the first 2 characters with ***. Give each column an appropriate column alias. So if you don't memorize the columns in the countries table, we can go to the countries table. We can click on country ID, click and hold the control button, and click the country name, drag and drop, and click apply. So here select country ID, country name. We want the country ID, the country name, and we want also the country name after replacing the first 2 characters with ***. We have a function replace. Replace takes 3 arguments. The text that you want to manipulate, which is in our case the country underscore name. It takes the text that you want to replace, which is in our case the first 2 characters of the country name. How can I get the first 2 characters of the country name? I can use in this case substring and then country underscore name. The first 2 characters, that means starting from the first character and returns 2 characters. So this is how to get the first 2 characters from the country name. And the third parameter of the replacement string, which is in this case star star. So replace the first two characters of the country name by star star. So again, replace, take three arguments. The first argument, which is the text that we want to manipulate. The second argument, which is the text that we want to replace, which is the first two characters of the country name by using substring in this case. And the last argument, or the third argument, which is the replacement string, which is in this case star star. Give each column an appropriate column alias. So we can give this column alias, for example, new country. Once finished, run this select statement, and here we go. This is the country ID, this is the country name, and this is the new country. We're replacing the first two characters, as we can see, by star star. So as we can see here, we use function inside another function. This is called nested functions. It first run this function to return the first two characters of the country name, and then run the replace function. So in this practice, we learn how to use character manipulating functions in Oracle select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.